Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on Sadhana workbook, page number 1. For this, you can refer our Sadhana workbook. Right? Let us start our first question. Count the number of stars and write the digits in ones, tens and hundreds places. There is a peak in that you are having some stars. You need to count the number of stars and you need to fill the boxes. By filling up the boxes, you need to identify the number formed. Okay? Right. Let's count the number of stars in the first one. How many stars are there in the hundreds place peak? If you observe the peak, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many stars are there? 6 stars. How many are there? 6. And in the tens place peak, you are having 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4 stars. So you have to write 4. If you observe the third peak, ones place peak, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many stars are there in the ones place peak? There are 7 stars. How many are there? 7 stars. So what is the number formed? 3-digit number is formed here. What is the number formed here? 647. What is the 3-digit number formed with these stars? 647. That means 647. 647. Okay. Second bit. There is a peak in the hundreds place. Here also there are some stars. You need to count the number of stars and then you need to fill the digit in hundreds place. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many digits are there in total? How many stars are there? There are 8 stars. Would you like to count again? Right. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many stars are there? 8. How many are there? 8. You need to recheck because there are few stars means you need to recheck and you need to recount so that you will get the appropriate and exact answer. Okay children? Right. Let us count the number of stars in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many stars are there? 9 stars. How many? Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many stars are there in the tens place peak? There are 9 stars. So we have written the digit 9 in tens place. Now observe the number of stars in the ones place peak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many stars are there here? Here also there are 9 stars. So what is the digit we can write in ones place? It is also 9. So what is the number formed here? It is a 3-digit number and it is 899. It is 899. 899. Okay. Let us solve to the next problem. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. There are certain numbers given. You need to arrange them in which order you need to arrange? Ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order children? You have to write the digits from smallest to greatest. Okay? From smallest to greatest. At first you need to arrange the given numbers from smallest to greatest. Then you have to write them here so that you will get the numbers in ascending order. What is the first number? 457, 498, 486, 412. Which place you will look for comparing the numbers? At first you have to compare the digit in the hundreds place. In all the numbers, if you observe, there is same digit in the hundreds place. Same digit in the hundreds place, 4, 4, 4, 4. So to compare, go for the next digit. Next digit means the digit in the tens place. What is the digit here in the tens place? 5, 9, 8, 1. 5, 9, 8, 1. You have to write them in ascending order. So you have to pick up the number which is the smallest one first. Which is the smallest among all? If you look, 1 is the smallest. So you have to write 412. 412. Next number, 412. After 412, if you look for the digit in the tens place for these three numbers, the smallest one is 457. So you have to write 457. And the next number is, what is the next one? If you observe or if you compare these two numbers, the digit in the tens place here is 9 and here it is 8. Which one is the smaller one? 486, because 8 is smaller than 9. So 486. So what is the next one? The last one is 498. 498. Okay. So like this you have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Let's solve the next question. Next one is 390, 262, 967, 549. 549. If you observe the digits in the hundreds places here, hundreds place, which one is the smallest among all the digits? 3, 2, 9, 5. Which one is the smallest? 2. The number 2 is the smallest. So we can directly write the entire number which is starting with the number 2. That is 262. The next one is, forget about this number 262. Remaining 3 numbers you have to look. Okay. Remaining 3 numbers are 390, 967, 549. Right. Among these 3 numbers, which one is the smallest? The number which starts with 3. So what is the next smallest one? 390. Next one. After 390, you are left with 2 numbers, 967, 549. If you observe these two numbers, the smallest one is clearly 549, because 5 is smaller than 9. So what is the greatest number among all? That is 967. Have you arranged the numbers in ascending order? If you observe, 262 is smaller than 390, 390 is smaller than 549, 549 is smaller than 967. Okay children, like this you have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Let us solve the next one. State true or false. There are certain statements. You need to check whether the given statement is true or false. If you observe the first statement, 456, 745, 123, 390 are in ascending order. Whether they are in ascending order or not, we need to check. If you observe all the numbers, what is the digit in the hundreds place? Here it is 4, 7, 1, 3. Okay. Which is the smallest one among all? 123. So it should be in the first place. 123 should be in the first place. But here 456 was written. 456 was written in the first place. So they are arranged in ascending order or not? No, they have not at all arranged in ascending order. So, given statement is false. Is it false or not? Yes, this is false statement. Look for the next one. 129, 212, 450, 834 are in ascending order. If you observe the digits in the hundreds place, 129 means 1 is there, 2, 4, 8. Yes, they are arranged in ascending order and the numbers are also arranged in ascending order because 129 is smaller than 212, 212 is smaller than 450 and 450 is smaller than 834. So, the given numbers are exactly arranged in ascending order. So, this statement is obviously a true statement. This statement is true, right? Like this, you have to judge whether the given statement is true or false, and you need to identify whether the given numbers are arranged in ascending order or descending order. Okay, children? Right. Do practice at home all the problems. Thank you, children.